Hello guys, so today we are going to know about insertion of records permanently through VF page. So in the last video we covered accessing the S objects in the VF page. So let's take one example for this. Okay, so here I have one exercise for this. So we have to create a page. This name, phone, industry are the labels, input text, values, and then so if you enter and submit the button, so you have to display in the another block. Okay, here two conditions are given, so we have to use the if condition here. Okay, so name, phone, industry are taken as the input parameters, and we'll use the get set properties here. Okay, so let's take this example. So here the Apex account class is created, so including here account A also taken as the parameter, input parameter. So we have taken the standard object here. Okay, in the submit method we'll declare those input parameters, we'll give some values for this. So here A is equal to new account, a dot name, and industry is given some value, and we'll take the conditions here. If industry is equal to finance, a dot rating is equal to hot. So else if industry education, a dot rating is warm. So like this we have taken this class according to the given scenario. Let's create one page for this. So here in this page we have taken the Apex account class as the controller, custom controller, and in it is the whole programming is included inside the form component. So we'll have a look at this PNG once. Okay, so here we have taken the section header and title as account and subtitle as new account. So page block we have taken, and we'll include the submit button in the command button. Okay, so command button is included inside the page block buttons component, and here only one column is there, so we'll take the page block section and we'll include columns as one. Okay, so we have to include the three parameters. Now for this we have to take three page block section items, and inside page block section items we have to include output label, and we have to include input text. Okay, so if you observe here in the output label component we have included the name, and in the input text we have given the value as, so it is referred to the Apex class name. Okay, so like this the three parameters are taken, and then So here if you click on the input, so when we given the text in these boxes, so it have to be displayed in another box, no? So we have to take another page block section, and then here we have to include output field for this 4 input parameters. Okay, so like this the page is written. So let's save this and see how it will come. See here, let's give some details for this input text. So when we click on submit button, so here see the details are displayed here. Okay, so now we have seen this accessing the S objects in this VF page. Let's move on to the next topic called how to insert record into the object permanently. Okay, so this is called data manipulation language. So this contains DML statements and then database methods. Okay, so here let's take this example. If you observe here, account A is equal to new account. So for name and industry 2 values are given and insert method is taken. So directly insert A is given. So like this, if you give, the account is inserted into the object permanently. Record is. Okay, so here one example is given. So create opportunity records with values below and insert into the database. So here name, stage name, amount, close date are given. So if you observe here, opportunity OP1 is equal to new opportunity. So this process we have covered in this last video. So if you don't know how to declare the values for the various fields, so you can refer the previous video, and we will insert the DML statement here, insert. Okay, that is the difference. Okay, so this in this way we can insert the object record directly into the database, okay, by using the DML statement insert. Okay, let's take one example for this. Okay, inserting the record. So the account class is created now. We have taken account name, account revenue as input parameters, and we have given the get set properties for this. So in the create account method, we have initialized we have given the values for this. So account A is equal to new account, and then for the name and annual revenue we have declared the values. Okay, let's go to the page for this. So here in this page we have taken the controller as account class and have included the form component, and after that we have taken the page block component, and inside this we have included the page block buttons. So after that we have taken the command button, we have taken the value as insert, and then we have included the action component. So this is the method create account which was created in the account class. Okay, so here if you want to arrange this in the particular order, we have to use Ctrl plus A and Shift tab. Okay, okay, it is somewhat arranged now. So in this next one we have taken the page block section. So for entering the input text, we have to take first page block section and then page block section item, and then we have to take inside this output label, and then we have to take the input text. Inside this we have to include a value attribute. So this is linked to the account name which was included in this class. Okay, so it was declared as a string here inside this class. So another parameter is the revenue. So in the same manner we have to include another page block section item. Okay, so okay, let's save this now. Okay, it's saved now. Let's preview this how it will get. So using this insert DML we can insert the account directly. Okay, let's give some name, and when we click on insert it have to so here insert button is working as a refresh button. So okay, so here if you want to go to the detail page of the record after inserting, so we will use the inbuilt class called page reference. Okay, so what is the page reference? It is an inbuilt class used to create an instance of the page. So it is the syntax here. Okay, inside this the URL is given and then return keyword is used. So let's take this example for page reference. Okay, so in this example here in this account is equal to new account, and then here insert DML is inserted, and then here string URL is equal to a.id, and then page reference syntax is here given. Okay, so in the next one also in the same manner, here in the submit method here page reference is taken, and then here some conditions are there. Okay, so let's take this example for page reference class. Okay, So here page reference component is taken, here page reference class is taken. Okay, so let's take the page for this. So here the controller is taken as the M class, and then we have given the section header page block, and then we have given the output labels. Okay, so here command button is included, value as the next page. So here action is included as the here next page is taken. Okay, so here 3 page references are taken: next page, previous page, and detailed page. So for each method, so we'll use different pages for the same controller. Okay, so here this is first one. Let's preview this, how it will get. Okay, so first let's save all these 3 pages, and then we'll move from one pages to another page. Okay, so let's save this to another 2 page examples also for the previous page and then detailed page. Okay, so next one is for previous page. So we have taken the next page method in the previous page. Okay, this one is for the another method in the class M class. So here in this page we have included, so in the previous page we have included the personal details. So here in this page we have included the experience details. Okay, so here 2 command buttons are there. So here 2 methods are included, previous page and detail page methods are included. Okay, okay, and then in the same manner here experience details are included, company name and years of experience. Okay, so let's see what is the next one. So here after entering all the details, it will display in the another page. So this is the page for another block which will be rendered after submitting the details in the input text boxes. Okay, let's take this example. So I am saving this now. Okay, so first let's see how it will be displayed when we click on the next page. Okay, we have to create the page emp service. Okay, so here when we click on the next page, it is redirected to the another page called emp service. Okay, so here it is the personal detail page, so it will be redirected to the experience details. See, when we click on this next page, here we have got the experience detail page, and we'll enter the company. So when we click on submit, we have to go to the global current page method. Okay, so let's create the global current page method, and then so it is saved now. Okay, so when we go to the previous page, okay, first okay, the personal page is already created, but I have given the name in different manner, so we'll create again. Okay, so the first page we created is the personal page. Okay, so here it is the personal page. So when we click on the next page, it will be redirected to the experience details, and when we click on the previous page, it will be redirected to the personal details. Okay, See, like this we can switch on from one page to another page. So when we click on the submit button, it will be redirected to the global current page method. Okay, see, okay, here for one class, so for one class 2 pages are created, personal details and experience details. So for the details, total details to be displayed, we have taken another class called mDetail class, and this is done using global current page method. Okay, so first let's preview this page, personal details page. Okay, so here if you enter the details, we'll go to the experience detail page. Okay, so when we click on submit, all the details will be submitted in the global current page method page. So if you observe here, the details are displayed. So how this is written, so here it controller is taken as mDetail class. So in this one have included the output label and output text components. So for the output text component, we have taken the value as current page dot parameters dot name, and then here output text value is taken as current page dot parameters dot phone, company, years of experience. Okay, so these four are already taken in the class, and then here emp name is displayed. Okay, so like this the page reference is used for navigating from one page to another page. Okay, it is the inbuilt class component. Okay, so it is used to create an instance of a page. So like this, so today we have covered the insertion of records permanently into the database, and then I have covered the page reference examples. Okay, next in the another video we'll see how to insert the related records in the VF page, and we'll see the arrays we will use in the VF page. Okay, see you guys in the next video.